Let's have a frank conversation about real estate prospecting and lead generation. When you go door knocking on doors in your geofarm, you're asking for something. When you're circle prospecting, no matter what you say, you're asking for something. And when you're doing open houses, you're asking for something. Okay, now you might have the best intentions and the friendliest disposition and tonality and the utmost genuine desire to help people. However, you are the one taking in that exchange. You can't get around it. It's like you're single and you're ready to mingle, but the other person isn't, and they're not asking. And by taking up their time, like many other agents who came before you have done, you've used up some good faith. And it was only your first interaction. So what do you think the odds are that they'll call you when the time comes to buy or sell a home? And how likely do you think they are to refer you to their friends after a first impression where you're trying to ask and make money off them? Not to mention the fact that they likely know 10 other agents who are vying for their listing and referrals. So how do you actually earn their business and referrals? How do you become the person that they think of and want to talk about real estate with? How do you become the agent they want to refer their friends to? In order to turn this typical situation around, you need to flip the script. You need to approach the situation in a different way. And Parkbench's local leader system is the difference that makes the difference. It's innovative, it's proven, and it's stupid simple. So click the link below and learn about it.